Hello, I'm Emily, a trader with 3 years of experience with a win rate of 88.5%. In this video, I will share with you my trading results for the last week and tell you about this strategy that makes my trading successful. Tune in to learn how to achieve great results. If you are looking for effective strategies, bonuses and signals for trading, you can find all this in my Telegram channel. Join to stay up to date with this latest news and get useful recommendations. Link to the channel in the description. I will be glad to see you there. Friends, I want to remind you that in my previous videos you will find other cool and working strategies for making money on trading. I found a miracle indicator that helped me make thousands of dollars on trading. Average true range. This indicator is ideal for opening a trade correctly. If the blue line of the indicator moves up along with the general trend, this is a signal to increase. If it goes down, this is a signal to decrease. Let me show how it works with an example, so that is easier for you to understand. For your strategy to work, you need to set the same settings as I have. First, set the chart type to Hacking Ashes, set the time frames to 30 minutes, then turn on the indicator average true range. You can see the settings of this indicator on the screen. Set the euro, Swiss franc, currency pair, the transaction time is 30 seconds. Now let's move on to the transaction. I will start today with the amount of $30. This is where we will get a big profit. We'll look at the chart and analyze the situation. I can already see the beginning of a general upward trend and weak flexibility of the chart, which means the trend will be long, and this is our signal for an increase. We open the deal and wait. Here our first deal is completed. The balance is $57. We will not stop and move on. It's time for the second deal for today. On the chart, I can already see the beginning of an upward trend. The indicator lines goes up. I open a deal for an increase of $57 and wait for a profit. By the way, I trade on the pocket option platform. I had no problems here. Fast withdrawals of funds, transparent transactions and verified profits. Join my Telegram channel to receive bonuses and relevant information for successful trading. The second deal is completed. The balance is $110 and I'm moving on. Guys, do you see? I see a sharp reversal of the chart and the beginning of a general and confident downward trend on the chart. There are small adjustments, but they are not dangerous. I will not miss the chance I open a deal to decrease for the amount of $90, so as not to risk the entire balance. Here the deal is completed and the balance is already $193. The last deal will be for a decrease in the amount of $153. Since there is a downward trend, the indicator line is confidently heading down. No doubts, we are waiting for the end of the deal and take the final profit. So the deal is finished, the last deal is completed successfully. We see our balance at $334. Friends, the video is coming to an end. Like and follow new videos on my channel. Do not miss your chance to earn. Be sure to watch my next videos where I will share new and more profitable strategies for trading. By the way, if you still have doubt, just look at the reviews of my subscribers in the Telegram channel. Everything is really simple. See for yourself by clicking on the link in the description. Let's earn money on trading together. I'm always ready to help and share my strategies. See you in my Telegram channel.